Of course you want fresh and nutritious meals for your tot, and to cook up the best homemade eats, for this you'll need the best baby food maker. To help you make right decision, we have tested dozens of baby food makers, and selected 5 best of them, which are most recommended by mothers and field experts. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in description. Number 1. Elva's Baby Food Processor. Create fresh, healthy, homemade baby food with the touch of a button. Its multi-function baby food processor allows you to steam, blend, reheat and defrost. It even sterilizes and self-cleans. One finger is all it takes to steam, cook and blend your baby's healthy and nutritious meal. The touch screen timer will let you know when it's ready. This self-cleaning cycle is the perfect time saver for busy moms. Just add some clean water and the machine does the rest. This unique steaming cycle locks in nutrients, flavors and vitamins, ensuring your baby benefits from tasty and healthy homemade food. Modern touchscreen control panel allows you to easily select the precise meal consistency from purees to solid. This premium baby food maker fits perfect within any kitchen interior. Compact and sleek design makes it the ideal addition to your kitchen. Its auto and manual blend options allow you to choose the exact consistency of your baby's meal. Number 2. Dansa Baby Food Maker. Press one button to steam the food and then press another button to chop it. It does all that with ease. Its stirring cup is dishwasher safe. Don't waste your precious time cleaning device. This food maker fits any kitchen interior with style. Its 3 multi-sized steaming baskets capable of steaming vegetables, fruits, meats and much more. Number 3. BEABA Baby Food Maker. This food maker fits any kitchen interior with style. Babycook steam cooks, blends and reheats all in one, in 15 minutes or less. Its mixing blade provides just the right texture, and all of this with total one-handed operation. BEABA offers a complete collection of food storage containers, baby food preparation products, to delight both parents and babies. Refrigerate or freeze leftovers, then simply defrost and reheat right in Babycook. Number 4. QOOC Baby Food Maker. The perfect way for busy moms and dads to steam, blend, reheat, and defrost healthy homemade baby food in just 15 minutes. Constructed of safe and premium materials are bisphenol A, lead and shatterproof, so you can create healthy meals for your baby with confidence. Prep blade makes it easy to quickly chop everything from fruit to nuts to veggies with the press of a button. Pulse every 5 seconds to grind. In just 3 rounds, you'll have a delicious puree. There is no noise when the steam and blend function is on. Number 5. GROWNSY Baby Food Maker. Just press the automatic button, and the baby food processor can complete the steaming and mixing work for you. It is suitable for all fruits, vegetables, and meats. The LED digital version in the baby food warmer machine can set the constant temperature time to keep baby food at an optimal temperature. The baby food blender has 2 different mixing modes. When the results of automatic mixing are not satisfactory, you can use the touch screen to mixing food properly. It is equipped with a large capacity mixing bowl and 4 blades to help you easily complete baby food mixing. It is also equipped with a water shortage smart reminder function that will remind you when the baby steamer is short of water. Detachable blades, design, and structure easy to clean without hurting your hands. All of the products reviews are based on proper research work and are meant to provide you value. Buying these products from our links will not cost you extra money, but we will earn some commission.